Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with an unboxing. So I thought this was just friend mail from Susan, but she sent me the Erin Condren seasonal box. So it's an Erin Condren seasonal box unboxing, and then I'll probably end it with some other friend mail because technically this was a friend mail. So I'll probably title it like Erin Condren seasonal unboxing from my friend Susan or something like that. So I thought it was super fun. I love the color of this box. It's gorgeous. It's like a burgundy maroon, which is like one of my favorite colors. And then the box is like reversible, so I figured out how to unfold it. But that's the quote that's on the lid. Start each day with a grateful heart. So super awesome. So I'm gonna show you guys just kind of a little like, that's when I like realized what it was. I was like, oh my gosh, no, she sent me the whole thing. So super excited, and I guess there is a way for me to try to win my next one free or something. So that's kind of fun. I love the color of the tissue paper. So I'm gonna pull this open, and then I was thinking I would just lift the stuff out. So I don't think it's like a ton. There you go. Okay, I move that to the side, and I'll figure out how to play with that box later. I'm not gonna show you me struggle with that. Okay, so I don't think that there's like, yeah, there is. There's contents. Okay, so there's a sneak peek, which is the designer mechanical pencil. Oh, it's a pencil. It's not a pen. That's so cool. Does this just pop open? Good. Let's get my scissors. It says pencil it in. Whether you prefer planning in pencil before committing to pen or are looking for your must-have math tool, this designer mechanical pencil does it all, featuring stylish elements. Signature to EC, this pencil fuses function with fashion. Just click the top or push the barrel for more lead. Strong lead, smooth writing, refillable. It's a 0.5 millimeter pencil. It says it has a comfort grip. Ooh, it is a comfort grip. Okay, so you can push here to make the lead come out, or there. So depending on what kind of clicker you are. But I love the Erin Condren pattern on there. I love the teal mint color. So cute. Okay, so you can click on this side or both. That's so cool. Oh, I love it. I'm a teacher. I just love pencils. It's a thing. Okay, so it says that's an $8 value, and I think the box is $35. Yeah, I think it's $35 if you're looking to do it. And I think they're 4 times a year or something. Anyway, all right, next up is, I see these stickers. Clear and puffy. I guess that's these ones. Clear and puffy sticker sheet. The $7 value. So those are super cute. They're foiled and puffy. I don't see clear, but I like them. They're gorgeous. I like the bat. It's fall, y'all. Trick or treat. So there's some Halloween on here. The pie looks just like my pie clip. Oh, do I have it nearby? Do I? I'll show you guys how much it's like my stuff. I don't know. There's the turkey. Which I did restock the turkey a teeny tiny bit. If you guys wanted that, it's there. I don't know where pumpkin pie is. Oh well. Anyway, I have pumpkin pie clip. Okay, I like the peacock flower too. Super cute. Alright, so that was a $7 value. Then it has clear and puffy. What are these? Seasonal card pack. Metallic foiled washi tape. Oh, that's this. So this washi tape is $4 value. Let's open this. You guys can see it. There. I'm doing that on camera. I know Stevie's gonna be like, you need to change your blade. I know. I don't listen very well. I know, when I'm a teacher, I probably should work on that. My listening skills. Okay. Why? Why did it just tear off and not come off? Alright, so it looks like it's not paper backed, which we love. And then it's just this cute little scallop. Oh, it peels very nicely, like simply gilded nice. I really like that. That's awesome. Okay, there's that. This is a $4 value. Okay, and then I still don't know what these are. Seasonal cards, scallop sticky notepad. I don't see that one. Oh, that's under there somewhere. I don't know. Stickers. It says sticker sheet duo. Clear and puffy. So I don't know if these are the clear. These might, oh yeah, these are the clear. Okay, so this and this is a $7 value together. There's like cute little washi strips kind of, and some boxes and checklists and flags. I like using this in my Erin Condren teacher planner because I do more of a white space spread in there. All right, this is so cute. It's a planner pouch, and I love the color. Sorry, it's noisy. Okay, so it is a metallic asterisk clutch is what it's called. And it's so nice. I think it's like a faux leather. And it has the little Erin Condren logo and the gold zipper. Look at the inside. It's got like a peacock pattern in there. It says small luxe clutch, and then it gives the measurements. Like a tag, if you were to like get it. Oh, and then she has her little Erin Condren stamp in leather. It's so cute. I got stuff on it already. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is adorable. Okay, then we have note cards, and it says note cards. You get a 2-pack. They're $6. So I got this peacock one. Yeah, there's just one in there. I got a peacock note card, and I got a with a grateful heart note card. Adorable. Okay, then here's the scallop sticky notes, which I feel like is just a traditional sticky note, which I think you can get in the store. So this one, it says scallop sticky notepad. It says exclusive though. It's $6. So certain things are sneak peek, which I wonder if that means that they're coming to the store. So the mechanical pencil is a sneak peek, and the foil washi tape is a sneak peek. So I guess those will be available. And then there's a planner cover for fall or Christmas, honestly. It's that black and white plaid and gold foil, which you know I have that black and white plaid bow somewhere. Who knows where? My clips are a mess right now. So these are the covers. I don't think, yeah, this will be the front, that's the back, based on where this is at. So honestly, I hope that the Planner Society gives me some like sticker or puffy sticker embellishment to go on there, because that would be so cute in the middle. And then there's the back. This is so cute. So this one has lines and this one doesn't. I love this cover. Honestly, I love it. I can't wait to put it on there, because right now it's flowers and it has my name on it and everything. That's the only downside, is that like you get a new cover, but it doesn't, like, it's not, I think it's going to be always a pattern, maybe, I don't know. I think it'd be fun to have a quote on there. So this is, I think, a 12, no, it's metallic, so it's $13 value. So I think over $60 worth of stuff. Yeah, this was number 4. I like how I'm just now realizing that there's a picture of everything. So that's the price list. Okay. It's so awesome. A reversible box I can turn inside out and use again and again. Box theme is Autumn Sparkle. That's so awesome. I love it. I think things aren't too matchy. Like the cover and like these stickers match. But I feel like this is a very bright teal, but I think that comes together with the peacock. And then this, I think, is just because this says it's a sneak peek. So I think that this doesn't necessarily like coordinate with the kit. It's just a sneak peek. And then this is exclusive, and it's just got all the Erin Condren dot colors, I think. And then these totally match, and then this totally matches. So super excited about this. Thank you so much, Susan. I love it. I cannot wait to use it. All of it. So excited. All right, next up we have some Happy Mail from my friend Angie, and she's probably gonna smack me for filming this, but I saw it and I just thought it was so cute. She sent me another origami owl charm, and it's a little fairy. So I wanted to show it to you guys because I thought it was cute. I don't know if it's like, I don't want to lose it. I lose things. Yeah, that's definitely like I think Origami Owl brand. I was trying to decide. So it's a little fairy, like a Tinkerbell fairy or something. Not sure how well you guys can see that. Let me see if I can zoom in. A little bit. Can you guys see? How cute is she? I know. I love her. Let's see. Don't want to lose her. I'm putting her back in the bag until I can put her in my necklace. Okay. Then we have some Happy Mail from, I'm going to say your name wrong, Yesenia. I think that's right. I don't know. She sent me, what'd she send me? I'm trying to pull this out. Oop. It's not going well. I'm trying to pull it out. Okay, look how cute that paper is. We're rooting for you. I love you from my head to my tomatoes. Don't settle for being mediocre. That's so funny. Find your inner peas. Those are so funny. But the reason she sent it to me was actually because the foxes. How cute. I think that's the background of my video. Okay, then she sent me a note card, which is super cute. So it's a leopard print. So she sent me some fox things, and she said she doesn't really care for fox things. So she sent me these. These are from Happy Scrappy. I think that's a subscription. I'm gonna tear the unicorn, sorry. That's gonna happen. So I don't know if these were like freebies or like part of a kit or something like that. But how cute is this? There's a little fox die cut, which if it's not a sticker, I'm definitely going to make it a sticker. Yep, I have my Xyron. I might even, no, I don't have it over here. I moved it. And then these are cute little quarter boxes with foil on them. So this is like a wood grain. This is almost like a tweed or, no, it's probably burlap. Nope, yeah. That's like burlap, and then there's like a wood grain. How cute are these foxes? I wish this was a sticker, but I like all of it. So thank you so much. I hope I said your name right. I don't know if I did. And I think that's it for my friend mail Happy Mail. I should have a Britannia haul coming up soon, and my new Happy Planner flip through. So make sure you catch that. All right, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Give this video a like, and please subscribe. And see you then. Bye.